What are the best Facebook remarketing audiences to use? So this is a question I get often. Folks will come to me and say, Lucas, what are some solid options that I can use for remarketing? So what I always encourage people to do is try to stick with stuff that's on platform after, post iOS 14. There's some tracking issues using the Facebook Pixel and things of that nature. So what I would encourage you to do is stick with on platform remarketing. So what are some options here? Video views. You can remarket to folks that have watched 25% of your video, 50% of your video, 75%, 90%, even if you want to go to 3 seconds of your video. This is awesome. The reason why is because this is directly tracked on Facebook. There's no outside pixels required to do this kind of audience remarketing. It's going to be very accurate and beneficial to you. So that's one. Video percentage watched remarketing. The second one, Facebook lead forms. Folks that have opened a Facebook lead form and not yet opted in. You can include people who have opened a Facebook lead form, exclude folks who have opted in, whether that's uploading a custom CSV or using the audience on Facebook. The third option, which I would suggest doing, is using Facebook page engagement, Instagram page engagement. There's actually some more detailed targeting inside of here. So what you have under the Facebook page and Instagram account umbrella is opened an ad or engaged with an ad, followed this page, liked this page, messaged this page, engaged with any post or ad. These are some really quality interest groups as well. Again, they're on platform. You're not reliant on a Facebook pixel or conversion API to track these custom audiences. And these are really, really rock solid audiences. When you upload custom CSVs, there's issues with matching back to Facebook post iOS 14, so you're getting a lot better results sticking to on-platform remarketing audiences. Again, video views, Instagram account and Facebook account engagement, ad engagement, follow the account, visited the professional profile, things of that nature, and also Facebook lead forms. Open the Facebook lead form, maybe didn't convert, or maybe just opened it. You can do remarketing from these audiences, but also when you build a lookalike audience off of these specific audiences, it is very, very powerful because it's accurate. So the matchback, what I'm referring to with matchback is, hey Facebook, here's 1,000 people who have watched 25% of my video. The ability and accuracy of Facebook to look at those people and then go and match them with the most highly qualified demographic is extremely, extremely quality versus, hey, here's 1,000, remarket to 1,000 people from my Facebook pixel. They don't have the data to carry over back to Facebook anymore accurately to match to 1,000 people on Facebook. So again, stick with on-platform remarketing and lookalikes and use these audiences very strongly moving forward. So those are my 3 tips, and I hope you folks enjoyed. If you need help or want me to audit your Facebook ads account for free, shoot me a DM, drop a comment below. However you're finding this video, just get in contact with me and I'll be sure to help you out for free. So talk soon, guys. Again, my name is Lucas Lefevre, owner of Lefevre Solutions, a digital agency spending currently over 6 figures a month on paid meta ads. Talk soon, guys.